available persons here. Good morning to you all. My name is Barineka, and today I'll be taking you guys into the journey of Algorand, and it's good to have each and every one of you here. And I can see Samson, Salam, Emmanuel, and a lot of guys. It's good to be here. Great to have you guys here, Helen, Victoria, Amos. Thank you all for coming here. From the Google form I had, from the response of those who will be joining for today's meetup, I just believe most of you have an insight about what cryptocurrencies are and what blockchain technology is all about. So today, I'll just be talking a little about what blockchain technology is, just like a recap. So we can move over to Algorand and also staking. So we all know how the evolution of money is all the way from the trade by barter system, cowries, whatsoever, fiat money and digital assets. That's what we have over now. So money has changed, and money is not like the way we used to see money, you understand? And we also have digital assets. We also have cryptocurrencies. And the technology for these cryptocurrencies to work is known as the blockchain technology. We'll going too deep into all there. We just know cryptocurrencies are digital assets. And for these digital assets to work, there must be a technology, you understand, for them to work perfectly well, okay? So the technology for cryptocurrencies to work is called the blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger, which contains information, transactions, and records of the things you do on that particular blockchain. So let's say if it's a blockchain that enables voting, or let's say it's a blockchain that enables you're liking a post on making a transaction. So all those stuff, we call them transactions. So whatsoever transaction you're doing on the blockchain is being recorded. So it's like a distributed ledger of all those transactions. So one sweet thing about the blockchain, it's immutable, it is secured, it is free, and also open for everyone. So that's one sweet thing about the blockchain technology. So today, we'll be talking about Algorand. And I know most of us here, we know about Ethereum, we know about Bitcoin, we know about some other cool coin. Maybe we've gotten there maybe through airdrop or something, like some of us earn cryptocurrency, and I have to mute this person. Who's this? Okay, sorry guys. Mute. Okay, so cryptocurrencies, like I said earlier, it's a digital asset, and today we'll be talking about Algorand. Okay, so back then in 2009, when Bitcoin was formed by Satoshi, a person or a group of person, you understand? So it was like the first blockchain use case that we all know, Bitcoin, and over the past years, because of the transactions it was carrying out, these transactions made the Bitcoin network very slow and also expensive. So once that this Bitcoin network is slow, it also makes it expensive for users to make use of it. You understand? So Ethereum was now like better. Okay, let's try to solve the problems with scalability, the problems with this slow transactions, the problems with these expensive fees, you understand? So Ethereum actually came up and was like, okay, let's build decentralized applications. Let's try to scale Bitcoin because Bitcoin is slow, expensive, and not scalable to millions and billions of transactions. So that brought about Ethereum. And Ethereum is like the second generation block. And what is a blockchain? So blockchains are like blocks of different informations of transactions. Transactions, like I said earlier, is just let's say your activities on the blockchain. Maybe you're liking a post, maybe you're commenting, or you're transferring some funds, or you like your activities on the blockchain. So all those informations are being put in each block, connected in each block. So and also being sent to other special nodes like for record keeping. So that's one for the blockchain. That's what the blockchain is. So we had the first generation blockchain, we had the second generation blockchain. The second generation blockchain is Ethereum. The first generation blockchain is the Bitcoin. The third generation blockchain, we have the likes of Algorand. Algorand is also a third generation blockchain. So this third generation blockchains are blockchains. You said you're not getting my sound, so did you join in with your mic? I believe everyone can hear me. Can you all hear me? Okay, fine. All right. So third generation blockchains, there are many of them. All of them try to come to scale Ethereum and Bitcoin, but not all have been able to do that. You understand? So Ethereum tried to scale Bitcoin, it did not work. It's still slow, not like too slow, but slow, and also expensive because we're talking about transactions like scaling to billions of transactions. Because if you have a business, if you have whatsoever you're running, you need something very fast. You can't be running a business and transactions are very slow. Like you lose your customers, you understand? So with the Algorand blockchain being a third generation blockchain, it is trying to solve the problems of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so it brings the fast, fast transactions per second. It's also able to scale to billions and billions of people. So let's say if the main chain is not scaling to a lot of people, there's also what they call the layer two. The layer two can actually work to also reduce the load. So if you're sending on the main chain, on the also the layer, you can send like they call it the side chain. You understand? So in case the main chain is kind of clogged or kind of busy, you can use the side chain. This helps to make transaction fast and no congestion Algorand blockchain. Yeah. So, well, Algorand is actually a high performance next generation blockchain that uses proof of stake. And I'm supposed to explain proof of stake. Okay. We have different consensus algorithm. We have the proof of work. We have the proof of stake. These are the main consensus algorithm in the crypto space. The proof of work is, these miners get rewarded for contributing to the network by using their special computers. You understand? So let's say in the Bitcoin network, the miners get 6.25 BTC for confirming the transactions, for solving such algorithm, also maintaining the network. They get rewarded by using their special GPUs, CPUs, and their special computers. But in Algorand, you have to stake. You have to stake, like the proof of stake has to do with people having a huge amount of Algorand. They all have a say. You understand? They all have a say. People with high or large amount of Algorand have a say to the Algorand blockchain. So let's say we've been saying everything about decentralized, decentralized, decentralized. For a blockchain to be decentralized, there must be a consensus algorithm. There must be a kind of, we must agree on something. The community must agree on something. They also have proof of space. They have proof of, like, there are different type of proofs of different type of algorithms. You understand? So that makes blockchain decentralized because we must have our own view of what we want to do. You understand? In a centralized system, oh god, in a centralized system, there's nothing like that. Okay, sorry. So in a centralized system, the central, like the central authority, like there's a central authority which makes decision of what is going to happen, and like we the members, we don't have a say to it. We just, okay, that's been said, and we just have to go with it. So, but in a decentralized system, everyone have a say. You understand? To whatsoever action or anything that's going to happen on that particular blockchain, like a quorum or something. So with Algorand, Algorand uses the proof of stake blockchain and also a permissionless blockchain. It's also a permissionless blockchain, more like a public blockchain in which you can come in. There's no restriction. You can come in, you can view transactions, you can check in and check out, like it's open. And also it has a fast transaction throughput and finality. You understand? Like the Algorand, how will I put it? The high transaction throughput of Algorand is around 1,000 transactions per second with a 4-sec block time. So imagine transactions in, we're talking about 4 seconds here. You understand? Trying like in 4 seconds, there are about 1,000 transactions. You could imagine it's trying to, like, what Algorand is trying to do, like trying that kind of transactions, it is scaling. Like imagine businesses running on Algorand, how they'll be feeling very fast. And like it's scaling to billions and billions of people in 4 seconds. We're talking about 1,000 transactions per second. So imagine you have a business and you build on the Algorand blockchain, and your customers will be very happy, your clients will be very happy, because we're talking about speed here. We're talking about speed. So this helps in a very good scalability for, like, it's able to scale to billions and billions of people, billions and billions of transactions. You understand? So the recent Algorand 2.0 brought about the layer 1 smart contract, the atomic multi-party transfer, and the ability to launch new assets on the layer 1 directly. So this brings more security and efficiency to applications. And it's like, it's different from the Ethereum blockchain, you understand? Because it's trying to scale or trying to do what Ethereum is not doing. So that is a little intro about the Algorand blockchain. And I made mention of the main chain and also made mention of the side chain, the layer 1. Okay. And there are some sweet use cases of the Algorand smart contract. Let's say I know many people have been into the crypto space here, and we want to get cryptocurrencies for ourselves. let's say you're new, like you need Bitcoin, and you have Mr. A and Mr. B trying to buy, like transact for Bitcoin. Oh, sorry. Who is this is laptop? Oh. Okay. So imagine like an escrow on the Algorand blockchain. You understand? So Mr. A and Mr. B have to transact freely without like a third party. You understand? Like you don't need a middleman, because sometimes the middleman is very dubious. Sometimes their price might just go right up, and sometimes the middleman might just, hey, okay, bring the money. Just blocks you from the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group, and boom, your money is gone. You don't have anything to do. So what the Algorand smart contract does is that it allows two persons to freely transact without a third party. You understand? So both of you can do your business without having a third party. If it's a business, whether it's a bank, let's say for voting, for real estate, like, man, you could use the Algorand smart contract for a lot and lot and lot of sector. You understand? So it's try to remove the middleman from transactions. So I don't know if you guys have any question. Please just do well to send to me, or just unmute yourself and just let me know your questions. Okay, so I can just go back and answer them. So, is there any question so far? If I move on. Anybody? Do you have any question? You can let me know in the comment section, and I will address it, or you can unmute yourself and ask questions. Okay. So I'll be talking about Algorand staking, how to stake cryptocurrencies with Algorand. I wish I could just get this. While I'm trying to get this, please, if you have your question, please do well to ask me, and I will answer them. So today I'll be talking about the Algorand staking. Many of us know there are ways to make some cool cash from cryptocurrencies. If you're not trading, then you are like a hodler. We call it hodling. Maybe you just buy cryptocurrencies and just keep in your wallet, and one day it goes up, boom, you sell. And like there are different ways to cryptocurrencies, but today we'll be talking about Algorand, and how to stake your Algorands and get some cool cash. Okay, so if you use a mobile phone, you can use the Exodus wallet for your laptop or your mobile phone. You can also use Trust Wallet. You can use which other wallet again? Coinbase, and yeah, so they have different wallets in which you can use for staking your Algorand. Okay, so once you stake your Algorand, it means you're keeping like some amounts of your Algorand, like you're investing into the Algorand project. You understand? Like it will be yielding income or interest for you, just you keeping it there. So all you have to do is just the same way you just buy crypto and keep in your wallet, you just do the same thing, and you'll be receiving some interest for all what you like the time for the time being. Okay, so there are a lot of So in case you want to find out how many percent you'll be getting, you can come to staking.com/n.algorand. Let's say you bought 1,000 Algorand, okay? Or let's say 10,000 Algorand, okay? And in a month, you could see the monthly earning here. You can also see the yearly earning here. And, this will give you an insight of how much you will be getting monthly or yearly. So you're not actually doing anything. You just buy this Algorand and keep in your wallet, and you get this percentage. You get this percentage of the Algorand. So imagine you bought Algorand at, let's say, around this price, 0.32, okay? And you keep on staking, like you were staking for like a year, and the price went from $3 to, let's say, $2, okay? And do you know this your 10,000 Algorand will not be the current price, like it's going to go higher. It's like 10,000 times $2 plus, let's say you're doing like a yearly earning, have 578 Algorand. So if you add all this, oh God, if you add all this together, can you mute yourself? Oh, thank you. So if you put all this together, you could see that you're going to be on the winning side. Right now, Algorand is kind of low. You could see the charts, it went up and went right up and it's back down. It means it's a good time for you to maybe get some Algorand. It's like cheap, you understand? This is 0.3 times our Nigerian Naira, which is around 460, you understand? 0.3, that should be around, let me check my calculator. Sorry. Let's say we use 460. That's around 138 Naira for one. So you can decide to just buy some and then stake in your wallet. You can use Trust Wallet, Coinbase, you can use Atomic Wallet, you can use which other wallet again? Exodus Wallet. If you have a PC or your mobile phone, you can actually use that. So that is it. In case you want to get Algorand, it is available on Binance. I don't know if you guys know how to use Binance. It's available on Binance for you to get for you to get some of the Algorand. So that is it. Please, if you have any questions, please let me know. Let's not be see if I'm the one talking. Okay, I think it's 147.2 per Algorand. So feel free to just get some Algorand and stake in your wallet. So we have where to like I said, you can use the Algorand mobile wallet to buy some Algo. You can use the Algo wallet, my Algo wallet from Play Store, the Trust wallet. You can use Ledger wallet, Atomic wallet. I think I should just copy it if I can. For those who will want to get some Algorand, let me type it in the chat box so you can see it. My Algo wallet, which other one? Exodus wallet, Trust wallet. So I've sent it to the group so you guys can actually see it. And if you want to stake you can stake for some rewards. So in case you want to get some Algorand, you can actually reach out to me. I can help you purchase. Or if you're good with buying on the exchange, you can actually visit Binance, you can visit OKS, you can visit Gates.io, you can visit Bitmax and get some Algorands for yourself. So that is what I have to tell you guys today. And if you're a developer in our midst and you want to be part of the Algorand system, the ecosystem, and you know how to create tutorials for people, you understand, and you know how to do videos to help developers come build on the Algorand blockchain. There's also an ambassador program for you. So you can do well to reach out to me. I can connect you with the team. Okay. So I think basically that's all I have for you guys today. So I want you guys to go out there and stake some Algorand. So I'll be dropping the giveaway form. Like, okay, is Algorand integrating into DeFi? Yes. They actually, I think they have one or two products. You can actually build DeFi's with Algorand. I think Algorand was like, when I heard about DeFi, they were like the first people who introduced me into DeFi. I was like, what the hell is DeFi and all the rest? So Algorand is like a perfect blockchain for DeFi. And we also have, I failed to mention the use cases of Algorand. So we have Monerium. I don't know if you know Monerium. Like it's supporting programmable and redeemable e-money on the Algorand protocol. And we also have the blockchain. I don't know if you guys use the blockchain wallet. You understand? Multiple integration, including future wallet and Algorand standard asset support. The Algorand the blockchain, I don't know, blockchain wallet that you guys use on your phone for transactions, they actually built on the Algorand blockchain. The IDEX, I don't know if you heard of IDEX, like the decentralized exchange, is also built on Algorand. Otoy, OTOY, like the computing rendering power project is also built on Algorand. The normal Theta, the stable coin you know of, it's also built on the Algorand blockchain. Like a lot of them, Stonize, World Chairs, like a lot of crypto projects are being built on the Algorand. There are lots and lots and lots of them. And many of them keep building. I think recently, USDC, another stable coin, actually built on they actually moved to the Algorand blockchain. So you could imagine all these big projects on the Algorand blockchain. Imagine scaling to this use case, like it is boom. Like, so imagine you're building your DeFi solution on the Algorand blockchain. It's going to be awesome and crazy. You understand? So that is cool. So what's the least amount we can stake? There's no least amount. The least amount should be 1, because first of all, if you're staking 1 Algorand, just 0.1 will be just left in your wallet. Like, should I say, just there, 0.1. So it will be left into your wallet. Not like it's actually too big, not too big, just tiny. So you can stake with 100, 200, 300. All you have to do is just go to the staking reward calculator and find out how many you will be staking. So I'll be sending the link, so you can come here to check how many Algorand you can stake. You can come here and 100. Let's say you use 100, you'll be earning 0.8. You know, this is like a long time investment. So you can just keep them there, you know, try to get them low and invest over a long time. So I've sent the link. I've sent the link there. You can calculate how many algorithms you can decide to, you know, you can buy and stake in your wallet. So yeah, so I'll send the little, there's a little giveaway for those who came the end. So I'll just send the link to you guys. Do well to fill the link, and I have a little something for you guys for coming. So thank you very much for coming. God bless you all. Good to see you. I want to appreciate each and every one of you for taking time to come. Helen Kayode, Dabok Nafti, Emmanuel Omishere, correct? Abdusalam Mad, okay, Victoria Amos, and it's good to have you guys here. I'm really, 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 really happy to have you guys here. Thank you very much for your time, and do well to fill the form. I have a little something for all of you. So, till next time, same, should I say same station, same channel. So it's really great having you guys here. Bye for now. Sorry, okay. Please, you can just start filling the form. I think we still have a little time here. So I think I'll just start filling. Filling. Please, if you still have any question, please still drop in the comment section. I will answer each and every one of it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Victoria Ima, thank you so much for coming. Another great ambassador from Algorand. She made it here. Thank you very much for coming to the show. Is it a show? For coming around to cheer me up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, please do well to fill the form. Just copy and no, copy to WhatsApp or somewhere else your browser and just fill it. So we got to bounce like now. See you guys later. Bye. CEO.